What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. What's up, guys? So who am I doing a second video after doing a video just before? I did a foundation kind of first impressions, which what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I figured what better way to keep the videos going with the eyes, and I wanted to do the fastest makeup like eyeshadow you could do when you're in a stump or like you don't know what else to do, or you just need to be out the door real quick after you do your foundation and all that good stuff. Here's how to, you know, especially if you don't have like a lot of eyeshadows or anything like that. But girl, if you got bronzer is your friend. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, then keep on watching. Bronzer is your friend. Okay. How is bronzer your friend? So bronzer is your friend when you don't have eyeshadow or you don't know which eyeshadow color to choose from your collection. So I am choosing my favorite bronzer, which is the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I pretty much use this all the time. So a good way if you are out, you're trying to get out of the door, like, you know, you need to be somewhere, like you're going to a meeting or work or something. So the best way for bronzer is on your face, and to tie everything in together, you can use it on your eyes. So this is gonna be maybe one of the fastest tutorials, I don't know, but let's go ahead and get started. So all you need is your bronzer that you're using for your face, or just your favorite bronzer, and a brush. So, and a brush. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe M5114 brush. It's very more of like a precise brush. Mine's a little stained from like color and stuff, but I figured this would be great for my crease and just to blend everything out. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. What's up? So, and the best thing about this bronzer, it has a mirror in it, so you don't have to struggle, especially if you're in a hurry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just swirl my brush in there, tap off the excess, and we're just gonna go in. And if you do have more pigmentation on your eyes, you can go ahead and conceal it with some of your concealer or some type of primer that you have for your eyelids. So we're just placing this all along the crease. And that's already just blending out so well and just kind of, you know, connecting to your bronzer that you have on your cheek portion on your face. So who else is obsessed with Ariana Grande, Needy, 7 Rings? Let me know, because I'm obsessed with Needy. I'm needy. I'm super needy. I already know this. So yeah, what's your favorite songs or like genres that you guys like to listen to? Maybe some stuff that I haven't heard of before, because I love to hear new music, any music, anything. Okay, so that was pretty fast. We blended that on out. And then if you want to, whatever you have left on your brush, just go ahead and just bring it on down to the lid area. And boom. So we went from nothing, still cute, whatever, but then we got like some cohesiveness going on with the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off the camera, and then I'll be back and we're gonna put some mascara together. All right, so I went ahead and just did that other eye off the camera. If you want to, if you have like a second to spare, you can go underneath your lower lash line if you like to have eyeshadow under there. But let's go ahead and put mascara on. I'm using the NARS Climax mascara. Like, y'all, this mascara is really good. I love it. It makes my lashes so long and just super dark. So yes, I love it so much. I actually need to get another one. I've had this one for a hot minute. And this is really good too. Like, I feel like this mascara is like really good if you don't have time to also put lashes on. Like, you put either just one coat, or if you want to put 2 or 3 coats on here, your lashes are going to be set for the day. And I guess one tip that I like to do with my lashes, I like towards the outer corner, I like to fling them like out that way. Kind of like a cat eye. And I just take that with the tip here and I just flick it out that way. And then you just come on in and bring the other ones up. You just pretty much maneuver your lashes how you want them to go. And I'm gonna leave the lower lashes blank because I don't always like putting stuff on the lower lash line because I already have longer lashes, so it's gonna bug me. But if you don't really have long lashes, then by all means go ahead, throw some mascara in the bottom and your eyes are gonna be popping. And if you are wondering what contacts I am wearing, I'm wearing Desio. These are one of my favorite contacts ever. I do have a video on how, like all the different color contacts that I have from them and just how comfortable they are. So I'll go ahead and leave something at the top, either here or here. I'm pretty sure it's over here. So go ahead and click on that, and that way you can check out all the varieties of colors they have, especially for dark brown eyes, because it's a struggle when you want to go with a lighter eye, especially for makeup. It's always fun. I love it. So yeah, guys, this was my quick video on if you're in a rush or anything like that and you don't know which eyeshadow to pick out, just use what you used on your face. Just use your bronzer. Don't worry about this. I have like a ABH brow pencil to hold up my hairs in the back because they kept falling down. Pro tip. Just use anything that's lying around or a brush to pin your hair. Don't forget to give me a like, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again also for all the subscribers that are subscribed to me. Thank you so much for kind of following me in this little journey of mine with makeup and other things that I love to do on this channel. So please subscribe, you won't regret it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.